This video demonstrates how to pair the standard and low-latency wireless screen mirroring devices for use together. This HDMI wireless screen mirroring device, comprising both transmission and reception components. First-time use requires pairing. No need for secondary pairing required. Plug and play. Part 1. Standard pairing tutorial. First, connect the transmitter and receiver using the provided HDMI extension cable. Then press and hold the SET button on the transmitter while powering it on. When the green light flashes rapidly, release the SET button. Perform the same operation on the receiving end. A steady light on either side indicates successful pairing. The pairing is now complete. The receiver end connects to the display device. Connect the transmitter to the computer. Plug it in to start screen mirroring. No need to pair again for subsequent use. To pair a new device, follow this procedure. Part 2. Low latency pairing tutorial. Connect the receiver via the HDMI port. Connect the monitor and plug it into a power source. Press and hold the reset button on the receiver for approximately 2 seconds. Wait until text "Release the button to pair with transmitter" appears on the screen. Release the button. Connect the transmitter to your computer or phone. The screen displays "Ready to pair." Press and hold the pair button on the transmitter. Pairing completes automatically in 5 seconds. The low latency pairing tutorial ends here.